Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well in these COVID times and keeping safe. I am Sonam Dua, a homemaker, a mother of a little monster and a co-founder of Indulge with Bakes. We love to bake for you and you can follow us on Instagram and on Facebook. So today I am here with a very simple recipe of chocolate cupcake and one more thing, it is eggless. So everyone can enjoy it, and so let's all start. Yes, as you all know that hygiene is really must in these days, so yes, my gloves are on. So let's start with mixing of the wet ingredients. So we will take 1 cup of warm milk. We will add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to it and we will mix it. And into this we will add half cup of vegetable oil. Into this we will add vanilla essence, which is half tablespoon. And here is the coffee. It's a 1 teaspoon of coffee which I have mixed into 1 tablespoon of warm water. As you all know that coffee really enhances the chocolate flavor. Mix it well and keep it on a side. Now we will mix our dry ingredients. So this is 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Into this we will add 1 cup of powdered sugar. I have taken caster sugar, but you can even use as powdered sugar. Goes in 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Let's sift this. And yes, we have to add one little important ingredient, which is salt. As you all know that salt really enhances any sweet dish. So just a pinch of salt. So now let's mix both our wet and dry ingredients. Should be a nice flowy thing. If you think dry, you can add 1 tablespoon of milk just to add the consistency. Now with the help of a spatula, I will remove all from the sides and we will give a nice one mix to it. Now let's get ready for filling our cupcake liner tray. Don't fill it full, you have to fill 2/3 only. With the help of ice cream scooper or a big spoon, you can fill your cupcake liners. And don't overbeat your batter, because then it will be too dense. We need to make it soft. We can't make it a dense cupcake. We have to make very soft, moist cupcakes. this recipe will roughly give you 15 cupcakes, but 12 definitely it will give you. So let's all little tap it so that any kind of air bubbles are there, it will be released. So my oven is already preheated at 180 degrees Celsius from last 10 minutes, and now I'm keeping my cupcakes inside. Let them bake for next 20 to 25 minutes. Yeah, they are ready. So let's take it out and make sure you wear your gloves because it is pretty hot. How beautiful are they? And let's check them. Are they done from inside? Yes. The square is clean. It means it's done. So let's keep them for cooling for some time. So once it's cooled down, so let's take them out from the mold and put it on a tray so that we can make the butter frosting and we can cream them up. So you can see how beautiful these cupcakes are, and they are very soft, very moist. Okay. So let's keep them on a side and let's start with the butter and cream. So this is 1.5 cup of unsalted butter, little softened, and let's beat it nicely until fluffy. We have to beat it until the butter becomes super soft and fluffy. You will see the color will change, and it is an unsalted butter. So you can see how nicely it's happening. It's quite fluffy now. I should scrape some from the sides. Okay, now we will add half cup of cocoa butter into this, but we will add in the batches, and 1.5 cups of powdered sugar or caster sugar or icing sugar. So we will use it half, not at one go. First mix it like this, don't start your beater, otherwise this entire thing will come on your face. Now slowly start it. Of it. Rest of the cocoa powder. Your powdered sugar, here we'll add just 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it again before starting the beater. Now slowly add it. Now just scrape the sides. See how smooth it is. To this, just to make it little more creamy and more richer, we will gonna add 1 teaspoon of heavy whipping cream. Just 1 teaspoon, very little. Scrape it. See how nice it is. Okay, so now we have to prepare our ice piping bag. Take any container, it will help you put the icing proper. You can take a star nozzle or any nozzle of your choice or whatever is available at your place. Or we can even do one more thing if you want. You can press it little inside. You can fill little inside and then make. You can make any design you want. It is not necessary to make only the flowers. Ready, and now we can sprinkle it with some of the silver beads, or you can sprinkle some of the chocolate shavings or the chocolate sprinkles, anything, whichever you have at home, you can do. And trust me, it is really yum. It is looking so delightful. This is the chocolate cupcakes, and now let's plate it. You can take any plate you have in your house, or you can take this kind of a double-decker plate. So let's keep our cupcakes in this. Slowly lift them and keep it. Slowly lift it and keep it nice. Isn't this looking so tempting, mouth-watering? So here is it. Here are the chocolate cupcakes, our final product, and trust me guys, they are super yum. Try it out and share your experience with us on our Instagram and Facebook handles by the name of Indulge with Bakes. And we are here to bake for you, so anytime you can contact us, we will love to bake for you. So now I would like to call my little monster for you all. Come here, my baby. There's something special for you today.
I love cupcakes.
You love cupcakes? Would you like to try one? Okay. Oh, big bite. Oh, yes. How is it?
No.
Yummy. Okay. Thank you.